Welcome to episode 12 of Why Would Ya Wednesdays, where we show you things that are on the KAM Fam's permanent packing list that others would say, why would you bring that?
Why would ya? Howdy, y'all.
So guys, today's item. If you've ever been having so much fun on a cruise ship, you can lose track of time. But if you bring this small thing, it'll make sure you're always on time. Stay tuned.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Welcome back to Why Would You Wednesdays. For those of you new around here, my name's Mitch with the KAM Fam. Thanks for stopping in again. We truly appreciate it. And as I said before, we're bringing you every single Wednesday an item on our packing list. We want to see, do you pack it? Or are you one of those people who are saying, why would you bring this?
Why would you Wednesday?
So today, I talked about time. Have you ever been in an interior room? There's no windows. You have no idea what time it is inside of there. So this is the thing we bring on every cruise that's always kept us on time. And that, guys, is a magnetic. So this thing, you can stick it to the wall, you can stick it to the ceiling. It has the time on it. You'll see it in multiple of our videos. When we're recording in bed, it's sitting right behind us, because that way it's easy to know what time it is. You can also set an alarm on here, but let's be honest. Does anyone set an alarm on a cruise? Only on excursion day. Okay, but this is something we always pack on our list. So now we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments, is a clock, a magnetic clock, something you bring on a cruise? Something after you saw this, you're thinking, I need to add that to my packing list. Or is it something that you're saying, why would you bring that?
Why would you?
Guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Why Would You Wednesday. If you haven't hit that like button already, do so. And maybe think about subscribing around here so you never miss a moment with the KAM Fam. But we'll see you next Wednesday, 12:34 Central Standard Time, every Wednesday for Why Would You Wednesdays. Bye, guys.
Why would you Wednesday? Why would ya?